Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to top up your Globe Loadwallet. We will be putting the link on the description box. For the payment, GCash, debit or credit card are the options. To start, you need to click these quick links. After that, look for Buy Load and click it. Then you will be redirected here, just input your cell phone number. You have options here, personal or retail. Since we will be loading our Loadwallet, we are going to choose retail, but it is still the same process if you want personal load. Next, choose the load, how much do you want, or you can enter it here. After that, click next. We will be using card for this tutorial, but if you want GCash, it is still the same process. Just click this one to input your payment details. Once done and your payment has been verified, you will receive this confirmation. So that's it, the amount has been loaded to your mobile number.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.